job.
Good job, Austin.
Good job.
All right.
Get back up.
Go on, Austin. Go on. Go get that plate. Go get that
Oh
plate.
yeah, Papa.
Yay! Here, Tyson, hold it right there, Papa.
Go, Tyson. I'm gonna do it more hard right there. Go, Austin.
He's like, no, that's too far. I'll go to the table now.
I'm gonna fuck up my ears.
He's gonna go, don't hurt yourself.
Oh, I got him. Yay, Papa.
Tyson, get it, Papa.
I don't see it, Mom. I don't see it.
Because you zoomed in.
You wanted to play? You think that's what you wanted?
Thanks. Look at the eggs.
Tyson, you have... No.
Hi, Austin.
Okay, come get it, Papa.
Go get it. Come get it. If you go to the table, it's gonna be still.
Tyson! Hold on, Papa. Let him crawl, okay?
Let him crawl. Tyson. Mama can't go get Tyson.
It's okay. Yay!